Hello AI enthusiasts, welcome back to Skill Curve. Get ready to ditch long waits for AI responses. There's a new player in town called Groq and it's about to change the game. You can ask an AI chatbot a complex question and get your answer in practically real time. Sounds too good to be true. It's actually not. Introducing Groq, a revolutionary new AI platform that's blazing fast and completely different than anything you have experienced. So you might be wondering, what is Groq? Groq is a company that specializes in AI hardware. That's right, hardware. They created something totally unique called LPU, Inference Engine, which is Language Processing Unit Inference Engine. Is a new type of end-to-end processing unit system that provides fastest inference for computationally intensive applications with a sequential component to them, such as AI language applications or LLMs. It is a new kind of computer chip specifically designed to run large language models, LLMs, the powerful AI behind chatbots like ChatGPT. It is important as it increases the speed and efficiency of large language models. It helps AI think and respond lightning fast. And you know why I am making video on this? Because it's blazing fast. It's like really a game-changing one. To access it, you need to go to groq.com with Q obviously. And you will come to this page. You can see right over here. It currently has two models available, Llama 2 70B with 4,000 tokens and Mixed-Rule 8x7B with 32,768 tokens. They don't have their own models. They're using open source models and are providing you with methods that can generate really large inference speed. So alright, I'm pretty much interested to check out its speed, and I am comparing it with like GPT 3.5 because this one is also a free model and this website is also free for use. So I'm giving it prompt: should social media platforms be held legally responsible for the spread of misinformation? Write 500 words essay on this topic. I will submit it at the same time to check the speed. Alright, so you can see that it already has finished with the speed of 525.62 tokens per second. And that's really fast, and I am literally impressed by its speed. That's really great. We already know that this like Groq has something which can really impress us, and that's speed. And let's see what other things we have. So if we just move here, so we can switch to the different models like Llama 2 as well. So if I give same prompt here, so you can test out which model is performing better. Llama 2, I know, a really great model, but the speed in Llama 2 reaches up to 300 tokens per second, but the speed in Mixed-Rule 8x7B, it touches around 600 tokens per second. So that's really great. And other things we have here, if you click on this right menu, we have settings. And this we can set up the speed. We can maximize the token as well. For Llama 2, it's 4096 tokens. So if I go back here, so I could specify 4096 tokens. We can modify temperature, top P and top K as well. And there is a system prompt as well. So if I move here, so if you are using like ChatGPT, you might be aware of what system prompt is. In this case, it's set by default to please try to provide useful, helpful, and actionable answers. So you can change it to like anything. If you are an expert prompt engineer and want to play around with these models like Llama 2 and Mixed-Rule, so you can modify the system prompts as well. So that would be something really nice. And one other thing that Groq is providing us with is the API access. I am literally impressed. It has come up with API, okay? It has multiple levels of API access. It also has the same kind of playground which OpenAI or Google's Gemini model is providing you. You can design an application here and then deploy it or use it anywhere you like. So you can move on to the playground where you can play around with the application. So we will be seeing that in a while. Then from there, you can obtain your API key and access documentations to see like how you can make applications out of it. They have 24/7 support as well. And you can see that you can use these models in their API access. So Llama 2 70B with 4096 context length window and Llama 2 7B as well which is 2048 token context length. And this one is really great if someone wants large generation, because the Mixtro 8x7b has 32k token length. And obviously price changes according to that. So you can see that the speed is phenomenal. 300 tokens per second for Llama 2 7TB and 750 tokens per second for Llama 2 7B. And the price for input and output 1 million tokens. That's pretty decent price, and it's actually reasonable in my opinion, because 1 million tokens, it's like a huge number. The least price is for Llama 2, then it's for like Mixtro 8x7b, then we have Llama 2 7TB. If you move on to console.groq.com, you just need to log in with your Google account and you will be all set up to use the API key and API services of Groq. I will be surely testing this like API access of Groq in some of my future videos where I create end-to-end applications by using large language models. I believe that could be a great way to start, and it would be blazingly fast as well, because 750 tokens per second, that's really great speed. So alright, here you can see that I am on console.groq.com and this is the playground. So if you move over to the API key, so you can get your API key from here. So you can create a new API key from here, just as you create a, like makersuite.google.com or OpenAI's playground. So you just need to choose a name. Let's call it as application and click on submit. That will provide in the API key for you. So you need to copy it, otherwise you won't be able to see that. If you go on to the documentation, there must have been the way to build applications with the help of Groq. This will try to complete in some other video. I'll be surely testing this out and we'll try to show you what is the speed if you want to create real-time application. Let's head back towards to the playground. Here, if I just try to give it the same prompt like the SA1 and submit it, so you can see that the speed is really great. Yeah, it's actually really good. You can adjust the system prompt from here. If you're satisfied with this app, like if you believe this is a good app, then what you can do, you can simply click on view code, and this is the code in Python. You just need to copy this code from here, and from this code you will create an application anywhere you want. So that's pretty simple. So all right, mind blown, right? Groq speed and potential are seriously game changing. Let me know in the comments what crazy things you would do with this kind of AI power and processing speed. And hey, if you haven't tried Groq yet, you are missing out. Just give it a spin and test out, and it would be a great life-saving tool for developers as well, because they have blazingly fast API and it could be of a great use. Groq makes me think is the future of AI interactions, instant fluid conversations that opens up a whole new world of possibilities. And that marks the end of this video. I hope you liked this one. Thank you so much for watching, and I shall catch you up in some other one. Till then, have a good day. Bye.